Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. So on the home page you're just going to select YouTube thumbnail and this is going to open and you will have a selection of templates here. You can even search for it. For instance, you want to make the thumbnail about traveling and this will show up. So select the one you want. For instance, this one, travel vlogger, and then you can just edit the text here. Trip to London, for instance, and then write your name. I'm just going to type Taylor Swift and like subscribe now. Here you can definitely change the picture to for instance this, just drag it and like put it in the frame. And that is basically how you can create YouTube thumbnails in Canva. You can also change the colors of these two if you want. What is this? I think I'm just going to remove that. That seems unnecessary. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!